Do you ever feel like you're destined for greater wealth and abundance, but it remains mysteriously out of reach? Have you tried vainly to manifest more prosperity through sheer willpower or endless hustle alone? Well, prepare to discover a radically different approach to realizing your financial dreams, an approach that doesn't require struggle or strain. Welcome to the world of Neville Goddard, a pioneering voice of the New Thought movement who unlocked the simple but profound secrets to manifesting abundance by harnessing the power of your imagination. Neville Goddard revealed how our imagination and assumptions directly influence what we experience as reality. He famously stated, "Your imagination is God. Imagination creates reality." Rather than battling external conditions or chasing wealth through sheer effort, Neville realized we can awaken the immense manifesting powers innate within our own minds. We can learn to operate our imagination consciously, persistently impressing our subconscious with the new financial reality we desire to experience until our outer world conforms. Intriguing? It's about to get even better. In this video, you will discover Neville's shockingly effective techniques to manifest money, success and abundance by living from the end result you seek as already accomplished fact. I will share step-by-step instructions for applying his visualization and affirmation methods along with tips to overcome obstacles and start magnetizing prosperity on autopilot. So, leave all paradigms behind and get ready to manifest that wealth and well-being you know deep down you're meant for. The abundant life you desire is closer than you realize. So let's begin. Born in 1905 on the tiny Caribbean island of Barbados, Neville Goddard swiftly shattered limiting cultural and religious beliefs about wealth and possibility. How? By demonstrating that our imagination and assumptions directly influence what we experience as reality. He famously stated, "Your imagination is God. Imagination creates reality." Rather than battling rigid external conditions, Neville realized we can consciously control our imagination and mindset to manifest new financial realities. Neville uncovered that the mind has two distinct parts. First, he called the superficial, waking state conscious mind the John Smith identity. This part of your mind is doubtful, reactive, and constrained by current circumstances. Second is the hidden deeper imagination, which Neville called the real you. This is the part of your mind that creates your inner visions and assumptions. Now, most people allow their John Smith conscious mind to dominate, but Neville discovered how to operate from the much more powerful realm of imagination instead. When you know how to move from the John Smith identity to the real you inside, you unlock the godlike power innate within you, he taught. Through proven visualization and assumption techniques, Neville showed how to impress new financial desires and beliefs into your subconscious until the outer world conforms. Neville revealed imagination as the gateway to manifesting greater wealth, health, love, and success. He asked students, "Can you imagine and visualize clearly what you want as if it is experienced now, not in the future, but right now?" This is the key. Imagining from the end result rather than simply wanting or hoping for a goal. Neville explained imagination is your real self. It exists outside of space and time. By imagination, you can visualize and experience events before they happen. From this realm, you can change not just your internal state, but external reality. You must give up living from current restrictive circumstances and instead inhabit the identity of the you who already has what you want. Persist in this assumption that your desire is fulfilled and your outside world will conform, Neville taught. By repeatedly returning to vividly feel your financial goal as an accomplished fact, you impress this new reality upon your subconscious mind. Then suddenly, your external world reconfigures to match the new wealth programming within. Neville unlocked imaginal power laws hidden in plain sight if we cultivate them. This same force that creates inner visions can also reshape outer circumstances. Neville mapped out specific techniques so anyone could consistently activate their power of imagination and manifestation. Let's explore how to apply them to manifest greater wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Define your desire clearly. Define your desire clearly. Get crystal clear on exactly what you want to manifest financially. Specify details like ideal dollar amounts, visual details, location, timing, and feelings of fulfillment. Relax into a drowsy state. Put yourself in a relaxed meditative state each morning and evening for visualization. Self-hypnosis releases resistance and allows your imagination to soak in the new financial programming. Visualize your desire vividly. Now, in this relaxed state, begin vividly imagining scenes that imply the fulfillment of your wealth desires. Use all your senses. See bank accounts full, feel spending money freely, touch the steering wheel of a new car, hear friends congratulating your success, etc. Make it real now. Repeat affirmations. While visualizing, repeat present tense affirmations like I am abundant now. My income exceeds my wildest dreams. Neville taught this impresses your subconscious until it takes on the new financial assumptions. Persist in your assumptions. As you finish your visualization session, carry those financial feelings and assumptions with you. When all thoughts or contrary evidence tries to re-enter, persist in the assumption that your abundance is already accomplished. Let go of attachment. Once you have completed your vivid visualization sessions, release attachment to how or when the money will come. The universal intelligence will orchestrate events better than you can imagine, but it is crucial to act and feel as if you already have your wealth now. Express gratitude. Cultivate intense gratitude for your financial success and abundance as if it's already happened. Generating feelings of appreciation accelerates manifestation by increasing your positive energy. Take inspired action. Once immersed in your new wealthy identity, you will find inspired ideas and opportunities to begin to flow. Take actions from this space of passion and excitement while letting go of neediness. Stick with these methods for at least 30 days to reprogram your deep subconscious mind and transform your self-concept. Then watch as the world around you reconfigures to match your new financial identity. Now let's talk about some typical obstacles and troubleshooting. What stops most people from successful manifestation? Struggling to consistently practice these techniques or allowing lingering doubts to overpower your assumption. So let's explore some common obstacles and solutions. Not getting specific enough. Without being very detailed about your financial goals, your imagination has trouble visualizing and manifesting your desires clearly. Define exact dollar amounts, places, and timing. The solution to this is to get detailed. Outline specific visions of wealth down to visualized details. Allowing doubt to overwhelm. Occasional doubt is normal, but consistent doubt neutralizes your manifestation work. Old limiting thoughts like this couldn't happen for me must be replaced. And the solution to this is to persist in the new assumptions of already having wealth, no matter what contrary thoughts or evidence pop up. Inconsistent practice. Sporadic visualization will not reprogram your deeply rooted subconscious beliefs. You must immerse your mind repeatedly in the feeling of your financial desires fulfilled until it takes on new programming. And the solution to this is to commit to daily visualization sessions so the new financial assumptions become natural. Overanalyzing versus allowing. Don't try to overly control or figure out how or when your abundance will manifest. This stems from a lack of fear. Cultivate trust in the universal intelligence to orchestrate events perfectly. Now the solution to this is to stay centered in faith and allowance. After doing your visualization work, your job is feeling wealthy now, not controlling the process. Attachment to timing or method. People often stall manifestations by demanding they happen by a certain date or through a specific channel they dictate. Now this puts limited conditions on infinite intelligence. And the solution here is to let go of controlling timing or method. Live in the wish-fulfilled now, regardless of when or how it comes about. With consistent practice, you will overcome these obstacles and master Neville's manifestation techniques for wealth and abundance.